Welcome to this tutorial on Bernafon Oasisnxt. Oasisnxt is the software which you need to program Bernafon hearing instruments. My name is Chris. Today I will take you through the general navigation of the Oasisnxt software. I am currently accessing the software through the standalone version. However, you can also use Noah. I have already created a client, and now I am ready to fit the hearing instruments. Navigating around Oasisnxt is simple. The main tabs are located down the left-hand side of the screen. You can select from Client, Hearing Instrument, Fitting, Features, and End Session. You will find more specific submenu items when clicking on any of the main tabs. There are also many useful items which you will find in the menu items at the top left of the screen and the icons at the top right of the screen. Let's look at the top left menu items first. In File, you can access Print to print reports, and you can save and quit. In Edit, you can access Set to Target, minimize feedback, and remove REMFit results. Remove REMFit will be active if you have performed a real ear measurement using REMFit. In Tools, you can access numerous features. Some of the more important ones are Instrument Updater, Transfer Fitting, Turn on Remote Fitting, and Preferences. The icons on the right-hand side provide easier access to some of these key menu items. Here we can access Preferences, Print, and the Help file. Other icons on the top left of the screen are Undo or Redo, Set to Target, access to different sound files, and access to remote fitting if it has been activated. We can also see which hearing instrument is connected or is being simulated, the program that the hearing instrument is currently in, and the option to easily mute the hearing instruments as needed. The option to minimize feedback is also easily accessible. Navigating around Oasisnxt is easy and intuitive. This will make your Bernafon hearing aid fittings faster and more efficient, giving you more time to focus on your clients.